Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold rose 0.3% against the dollar in the last trading session. The MACD is giving a negative signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The euro-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.2%. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an oversold market. The pound-dollar pair rose 0.6% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The Aussie-dollar pair rose 0.7% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
World stocks rose on cautious optimism ahead of this week's deliberations over the US $31.4 trillion debt ceiling, a raft of economic data, and a bevy of central bankers lined up to hint about whether further rate hikes await. The number of Bitcoin wallet addresses holding one whole BTC or more has reached the 1 million mark for the first time, with roughly 200,000 of the newest wholesalers joining the ranks in 2022. The US dollar rose to a 5-week high against major peers, buoyed by inflation worries at home and growth concerns globally, though its gains were capped by anticipation the Federal Reserve will cut rates later this year.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The Eurozone's ECOFIN meeting will be released at 0700 hours GMT. The UK's ILO unemployment rate at 0600 hours GMT. Japan's gross domestic product at 2350 GMT. The UK's claimant count change will be released at 0600 hours GMT. The US industrial production at 1315 GMT. Australia's RBA meeting minutes at 0130 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.